And this is, guys, why I clean your hubs every time we take the wheels off. Even if we do any type of service, brake bleeding, this needs to be done. Watch this, someone put the grease, yeah? I'm really against grease in GTR. Look at this. This is where it contacts the hub. See, this crap becomes a spacer. So this flat surface is no longer flat, so you ride on top of the spacer that's created by dirt and grease. So we're cleaning all back to metal, washing, and it's a dry fit only, and you never have any ticking, clicking issues on a GTR ever again.